Did you know that truck drivers can make $110,000 per year? And it's actually incredibly simple to get started. That's what we're going to be talking about today. This could be a great alternative to using the gig apps, as being a truck driver comes with a tremendous amount of perks and benefits that being an Uber or a Lyft driver or a gig worker just might not provide. So please, if you enjoy helpful information, click the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel for more helpful updates, and let's dive in. So firstly, if you are a gig worker, I did want to tell you all about an awesome new business app for drivers. This is Solo. I'm going to have a link in the description box down below. And as you can see here, they do provide gig workers with guaranteed pay. You can earn up to $37 per hour guaranteed. So if you aren't hitting those numbers, this could be a great way to actually get that guaranteed amount. Solo is providing it. And also, when you click the link in the description, they're going to send you $15 as a bonus just for signing up. Now, that guaranteed bonus, that guaranteed pay is only available in these select markets. However, they do have a free version nationwide. And then they also have this other version which comes with automated mileage tracking, federal tax projections, so you might know how much you might owe in taxes. And this daily guaranteed pay feature is free till the end of the month. But again, you can sign up for the free app nationwide. And as you can see here, Walmart truck drivers can now make up to $110,000 a year. That's double what truckers are making. This is what's going on. So there's a lot of Uber drivers and Lyft drivers just quitting to become a truck driver because, well, firstly, you have no passengers. Secondly, you can listen to just about 8-10 hours of podcasts per day, learn quite a bit. And I wouldn't think it'd be a bad opportunity, if you're in debt, you're trying to get ahead, maybe you're trying to buy a house. This could easily, you could easily live off of hardly any expenses, as you can sleep in your car, not have to pay rent, and basically net this amount, and then plus taxes per year. And if you need to save money, what is the average house purchase in America right now? We're looking at around $200,000. So if you only need 20% down, 20% down, you're looking at $40,000. You could easily save that amount in 1 year and purchase a house. This could be your route to freedom. Even driving for Uber, by the way. You could do that as well. People think that if you drive for Uber, you can't get ahead. You really can. You could save up $40,000 a year, and Work Solo is helping drivers do that. Again, this is a business app for dashers, drivers, food delivery workers. So check out Solo down below. But let's get into the article. Walmart is turning heads with a pledge to pay its truck drivers up to $110,000 a year in their first year, double the salary of what other drivers are making. At a time when the job market is tight and consumer demand is high, well, the consumer price index has hit 7.9% in February. Walmart announced it is another sign of the lengths employers are going to attract and retain workers. Walmart is extremely reliant on their truck drivers for the delivery services. And not only for delivery services, but also transporting goods from their warehouses to their stores and etc. More specifically, it's another potent sign of increased worker demand in the transportation sector. The question is, how many potential workers will go along for the ride at Walmart and elsewhere? Walmart drivers previously made up to $87,000 in the first year. Now, Walmart, keep in mind, is increasing their pay for drivers from $87,000 to $110,000. Now, most companies, by the way, are increasing their salaries. The minimum wage is going up. You would think because of inflation, because the cost of goods and the cost of products and services are rising each and every year, that companies meet that demand, and most companies are. Now, Uber, Lyft, and a lot of the other gig apps are not doing that. They're actually doing quite the opposite. Their rates are staying stagnant, which is why so many gig workers are looking for other positions, because their fares that they're receiving just aren't enough to pay for basic goods and services. Paying even for rent, paying bills, car payments. The average car payment in America right now, I believe, is over $400, which is mind-boggling. We're seeing historic pay increases like this industry-wide as carriers look to recruit new drivers amid a nationwide shortage that was exacerbated by the pandemic. American Trucking Association spokesman Jeremy Kirkpatrick said in response to the Walmart news. Trucking represents one of the clearest paths in today's economy to the middle class without the costly requirements of a college degree. Very true. You don't even need a college degree, and you could very soon be making $110,000 a year. So anyways, thanks for watching today's video. Let me know, would you ever consider being a truck driver? Have you ever been one? And again, check out Solo down below. They're gonna send you 15 bucks when you link your account, and they have this awesome guaranteed pay feature in select areas. Should be very beneficial for you. So check it out. This is how it works. You sign up and they're in these areas, and they basically price match you know, that guaranteed amount. So if you go out and you don't work, you know, you don't make 38 bucks, they're gonna guarantee that you do make it, which is really awesome. So check out Solo down below. Thanks guys.